Gond art is a tribal art form is as old as the Gond people themselves, at least 1400 years if not more. Within the large Gond identity, it is the Pardhan Gonds who are re-owned for their artistic skills, be it painting or music. The Gonds have a belief that viewing a good image begets good luck, and thus they decorate their walls and floors of their houses with traditional tattoos and motifs. Gond paintings have also been used by the Gond people as a way to record their history. Gond paintings are a reflection of man's close connection with his natural surroundings. While a majority of Gond paintings do take inspiration from nature, it isn't the only source of idea. They also turn to the myths and legends of India or showcase images from the daily lives and dreams in their art. In this course, you shall learn the nuances of Gond art, starting with the basic principles, colors, and then moving on to the painting, these with drawing tracings provided on various surfaces such as canvas, MDF cloth, and cloth back.